Hey, it's Cisco, the Firescape guy. Is this Firescape safe? Well, let's take a look. When you have a hole this big, somebody has ignored this thing for 25 to 50 years. That's how long it takes to rot that whole thing out. The law is very clear. You must inspect your fire escape and certify it every 5 years. Who the hell's been looking at this in the past 5 or 10 years? They haven't. Nobody's looked at this. So this fire escape is not safe. That whole tread, should a fireman or a person need to use it during an emergency, somebody's going to get hurt on it. This is a life safety concern as we speak right now. What can you do? Take a picture of it. If you have fire escapes that look like this, you have pieces that look like that, and your fire escape is all brown, send a picture to your landlord and send a picture to your management company. Say, do something about this, because fire escapes are supposed to be certified every 5 years. Otherwise, send it to your send the same picture to a fire prevention or building department and say, my building is not safe for me and my people, as well as any firemen coming aboard. And if not, send it to us. We'll help you get it to the right people. Firescape guy. Saving lives, one fire escape at a time.